Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today's video is in collaboration with Urthbox. Urthbox is a healthy subscription box of healthy snacks. Their snacks are 100% organic and natural. So the snacks comes in different diets. You have the classic, you have the vegan, and the gluten-free.
Hey, boy, ain't no way, boy.
So they have snacks for everybody. So I was waiting to open this box with you guys. No way, this is filled to the top, y'all. Oh my god. Check out all the snacks that they sent me. Y'all know I be trying to eat clean. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you to save 20% on your Urthbox. So let's go through these snacks and check them out. So the first one we have is the high peas, and there are veggie straws made of chickpeas. And these are so good. I tried this brand in the past. Next we have the Baja mango strips, and these are one of my favorites. And they are dehydrated pieces of mango. Next we have the Zinc plant-based bar, oatmeal chocolate chip flavor. It's a bit heavy for me. Next we have the Bites fudge brownie cookie dough, and these are made with dark chocolate. Next we have the Ultima Replenisher electrolyte mix, and these are also sugar-free and come in different flavors. I'm thinking of using these after my workouts in the morning. We have the honey gummy bears, which is one of my favorites. Y'all, they even have lentil chips with sea salt. Those are really good. We have the Sierra Trail Bites with dates, prunes, sunflower, seeds and almond. It tastes pretty good, but it's not one of my favorites. They also sent me a Guru organic energy drink. And we have the sweet potato puffs cinnamon churro. These are so good. And lastly, I have a few packs of Bobello Tropical Bliss, healthy carbonation and stress support. And it also says that it is 0 sugar. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this healthy snack box? I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking chefs. Bye.